Hey everyone, how y'all doing? I got something kind of cool to show today, especially if you grew up in the 70s, 80s, and you're a fan of the Netflix show Stranger Things, like we are. That's a great show. Honestly, if you haven't watched it and you actually grew up and you were younger in the 80s, you know, say 10 through teenager, you can relate a lot to it. And my son got this. They watch Stranger Things, and he got it off eBay for like $5. It's used, but it's pretty cool. It is the Stranger Things Demogorgon hunting flashlight. Like I said, it was used. Box is a little beat up. Flashlight's just in there bouncing around. But yeah, it's one of those metal energizer flashlights. One button, one mode. It works, and it's pretty cool. Some specs right on the back of the box. It says 150 lumens. Not super bright, but it's fairly bright. It says 80 hours the run time, and it takes it comes with two alkaline D-cell batteries. 90 meters of throw. That's, not too bad. It's the old basic flashlight. But yeah, let's check this thing out. The box is cool. That's a Demogorgon, if you don't know. But yeah, open it up. On the back here it says Demogorgon hunting flashlight. And I don't know what that is, French or something. I have no clue. But yeah, it also says adult collectible. Yeah, let's get this thing out. Like I said, if you grew up in the 70s, you were born in the 60s, 70s, and in that time period, you'll recognize the old metal silver flashlight. And it has a bail on the end. You hook it to something. Well, that's cool. That's a cool feature. That says everyday energizer on the button. One button. One mode. 150 lumens. That, actually, that's fairly bright. It's same brightness as like the Olight i1R2, the little rechargeable keychain light. Definitely not going to put this thing on the keychain, but yeah, has an LED bulb in it. I don't know if you can see. It's not a standard flashlight bulb. I don't know. I'm not going to screw with it too much. But yeah, the back screw is off. Eventually, got your Energizer Max D-cell batteries, 2 of them. Now you can see down inside there, but this probably comes off. Maybe it doesn't. I'm not sure. But seems fairly well constructed. I mean, this is metal, right? And threading's not the greatest. It's a little rough, but you gotta kind of compress the spring. The spring here, get it started. Screw it on. Make sure it works. It works. But yeah, man, I got my tape measure. This thing's pretty cool. Overall length, 8 inches. The lens is about 2 3/8 of an inch across. diameter 1.53 inch and a half round. This thing quite heavy. I think it weighs like a pound. Let's get the scale out real quick. And I'll show you a couple cool things on the light. Yeah, 15.7 ounces, so dang near a pound. It's quite heavy. Throw that box out of the way. So on the side, it says HNL, Hawkins National Laboratory, U.S. Department of Energy. This light belongs to Martin Brenner, is the signature. That's one of the main bad guy characters on the show. I don't know if you can see that or not on this camera. Maybe I'll take a picture of it and insert it in the video. Well, that's pretty cool. And then you got your, electrical code stuff, CE, UK, CA. Don't throw away the batteries. 1.5 volt D-cell batteries. And of course, made in China. And around the top, it's got Morse code. Okay, so I asked him, well, what's the Morse code? Well, I don't know. So I had to Google it. And supposedly it says, friends don't lie. That's kind of a catchphrase on the show that the kids, it's kind of like their motto or I don't know what you want to call it, but it's their thing. Friends don't lie, so they don't lie to each other. But anyways, that's kind of a cool little addition. And yeah, you probably see the signature. Took a little bit to figure out, but we figured it out. And yeah, it's kind of a novelty item, but yeah, it's a working flashlight. It's not something you can carry in your pocket. I told him he needs to get like a holster, belt holster for it, and carry it to work. And if he finds one, he probably will. But pretty cool. If you're a fan of the show, this thing's cool. I guess when they came out, this has been out for, I don't know what season this came out, season of the show it came out, but it's been out for a while. They sold them at Target and Walmart and stuff for like $19.99, $20. And you got it for $5, and the flashlight's in perfect condition. There's no scratches or dings or anything on it. Box is a little beat up. Might have been more with it, but I thought it was cool. We liked the show. I used to have, we had flashlights like this back in the day, aluminum body, old flashlights. That was the thing back then. Then the mag lights came out, and they were the big deal, especially the big 4-cell, big mag light you could bop someone over the head with. You could bop someone with this too. I do it this way, bam. But anyways, guess that'll do it. Thought I'd show it to you. I'll try to get a good picture of the writing on it, and I'll insert it right at the end if I can get a good picture where you can actually see it. Okay, so this is what's printed on the flashlight. It says HNL, Hawkins National Laboratory. Hawkins is the town this takes place in. U.S. Department of Energy, and this light belongs to Martin Bernal, and there's all the technical stuff. And that's it for that. This is the button up close everyday energizer, and kind of turn it around, get this thing to focus. There's the Morse code, which supposedly says friends don't lie. Somebody can look it up, verify that if you want, but that's kind of a cool little touch. I don't know why, if you know the show, why Martin Brenner would have that on his flashlight, but anyways, it's pretty cool. A little closer look here, and yeah, I guess that's it. I think it's kind of cool. So yeah, that's it for this video. Catch you guys on the next one. Bye.